Good morning, chat. Good morning, good evening. Welcome, great community. Happy holidays time. How are you doing, everyone? How is your day? How is your time on a good Monday? Hoping to close out positively in the last couple of days of the year. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, great community. Happy to see you on board. It's been a while since we were streaming, quite actually 4 days, and that's a lot for someone that is enjoying that much, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much. Whew. It's been a lot for me. It's been a lot for me. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Make sure to like the video. So we picked those numbers up. And we got the bull moving. Thank you, guys. Come on, like the video, guys. Let's go. So, going forward and sharing the presentation with all the community members in all the groups. We're live. $125,000 in giveaways today. Hope you guys had a great holidays period. We're just walking through New Year's quite soon, right? And that's gonna be another runner. There you go. What's happening in the markets? Well. Good morning. Welcome, guys. What's happening in the markets could be one of your questions. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Welcome. Great to have you on board, guys. Make sure to like the video. We're ready to start trading. We're actually ready to continue trading. We have not traded today. Yet I was having a difficult time not trading for 4 days in a row, especially not streaming for 4 days. It was the most difficult thing. I'm not really considering this as a work or as a job. I'm not feeling it like that, you know, in that negative way. It's actually something that I would do every single day for the rest of my life without any struggles, without any other question marks. Just raw, straight live streams. 7:44. Do we react here again or set up a new low? Let me know what you guys think about. I mean, 7:32. I'll ask you something. We have last week's low, 608. I'm going to ask you that. Good morning, Badger. Great to see you, buddy. I'm going to start a pool. Hope you had a great time. And getting ready for the New Year's. 608, last week's low. Hello. Do we touch that today? I'm going to ask you in a pool, guys. 608 for Nasdaq. Yes or no? Let me know. Good morning. Welcome, great community. I'm continuing trading my YRM account. You know, we talked about their massive holidays promotion out there, guys. Massive holidays promotions for the YRM. And for the last time, these prices. Because from 1st of January, the prices will increase for all the evaluation accounts. Not in a way of no longer discounts, but the default prices will increase, right? The base price will increase. We have 11 days traded on this one. We actually went for a payout after 10 days, so we have an extra day already. We have the first day, and today is going to be basically the second trading day. I'm looking for making just the minimum. Just the minimum, guys. $150 here. I don't want to make more for the moment on this first account that I'm trading. I think we're going to take it slowly, but step by step on the subject. Good morning. What a lovely community, guys. What a lovely community. Yeah, we had a great celebration time. Thank you so much, Maddie. Good evening out there. Hope you guys had the best moments. All the blessings out there. Thank you, guys. You see, I don't like this price action here. Sweeping the liquidity here is a big discussion on board if we are going to go for it. Which is why I'm going few contracts short. 10 micros. I'm going to trade some micros here. We only need 150 bucks. Sure. I suggest you basically Lucid flex 150k accounts. Where would Lucid? Right, so Lucid flex 150k accounts are basically a much better choice right now, discounted at 220. Think about for the Lucid flex, guys. No Tradeify. I'm telling you, no consistency and no payout target on the funded stage. We have 4 active accounts of Lucid Flex 150k right now. They're all funded. They're not in the evaluation stage. Think about it. And we have no consistency, no target. We're going to trade those today. Yeah, I'm going to walk you through Quantum. Profitable days, it's quite simple. You can also see them from the trading dashboard. If you go back here into your dashboard and you click on the table, if you grab your login for the Volumetrica, you click on the table here. And then take this one to the right and you will be able to see all your profitable days marked with green color, right? In the net P&L sector. All the profitable days marked like that. And then the negative day as well if you got some. Right, so for the Volumetrica platform, you can very easily see all the numbers you've got for the YRM in the dashboard sector. That's one way to look at the things, quite simple. So look at this one, guys. The green line for the moment is certainly... Yeah, you gotta go to the table, exactly. Certainly that green line has been holding us, which is dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. That green line right there. Testing this level, 730s, and not breaking below. This is already for the 5th time that we just did. Not sweeping any liquidity. How feasible do you guys think is that? Let me see what people vote in the pool. So 67% consider we're touching last week's low, 608. It's like 150 points from here, and that would be enough. I'm DCing a little bit here. We got this Ignite accounts on the top on futures. Bunch of green days. We have basically 7 green days connected right now. And you can't complain for that.
Order filled.
Grabbing my little shirt here as well.
Order filled.
That's going to be interesting with the price section we've got here. Tenacity Heard about them, but they're going to be extremely fresh. Nothing to say for the moment. Nothing to say about them. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye and see how they're advancing. And obviously, I'll let you guys know if there is a time that's worth it. But for the moment, it's something I would not touch. Untouchable. Interesting situation we've got here in this trade. Couple of points and we get into Good morning, welcome guys. Putting the stop loss on break even. We're looking good for the moment to secure that spot. We need a continuation here. Yeah. We certainly need a continuation here, buddy. Yeah. Heard about those companies, guys. Traders Launch and Tenacity. Gotta give them a bit of a time. Putting the break even right there, $100 to be secured. Actually putting the break even exactly above this current candlestick that we've got. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, 738 there. What's happening here with this trade? Our take profit here should be around this level. 740s. We're good with that one. We're also good here. Slightly lower than 740s. Come on. Stop loss for our YRM account, 150k. This is going to be day number 2 and a second cycle. Day number 2 in the second cycle, ready with the fireworks. 2 points. I don't think we're not doing it. 2 points needed from here. I just want to touch the minimum on this one. It's going to be day number 2. Come on. Give me something. What a move. Nah. It went all the way back for the YRM trade. It went all the way back. Look at that, guys, and they denied it. They denied the move to the upside. Oh my gosh, our take profit would have been touched there for the YRM. Our take profit would have been touched here. We're just below the 40s. So they kind of pushed. Wiped out my break even. Yet I'm still in this trade, guys. I'm not nervous. Moving my trailing 255 secured here. We're about to secure 535, hitting the target for this account, and that's going to be beautiful. It is tempting to take profits. You got to see where's the take profit sector. And if you got good chances still holding, because we got to touch the target, guys. First trade, first money on the table has been occupied. We've occupied a table of money-making machines. Here we are. We've got our spot. $520 profit made. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. 520 out there. Enough is enough, right? Enough is enough. Well, the thing is, our take profit would have been touched here as well. Boom, baby. Come on. Big fireworks on board. Make sure to join our time and join our Discord as well. Join the giveaways. We've got you. We've got you. How sustainable is this? Another possible reversal sign that we have here. Are you guys trusting these movements here pre-market? I'm not really. It is enough for me to take my targets. $150 on the top 1 futures Ignite account. We brought this one to 59, started under 50. If you want to see consistent trading, this is the consistent trading we're doing. And this is an account. This is the performance for December. Let me get back to November. This is the performance for November. And then this is the performance for October. And then this is the performance for September. So an account that started with $2,000 drawdown, I never made more than $550 per day, has not been lost in 4 months with a $2,000 drawdown, and the max profit I made here is around $550 a day. YRM. The Volumetrica platform is great. They're running on the DX feed, which is also providing top-level data. DX feed. Currently, biggest promotions, keep that in mind. When this holidays promotion is off, which is basically by the end of the year, right? So there's about 48 hours left or something like that. The price is not going to resume to the prices before, because from 1st of January 2026, there's going to be an upgrade in the prices of YRM evaluation accounts. It's no longer going to be 44 or 47. Prices will jump above $60 for a 50K evaluation, which is something today you can grab in an unlimited manner at $40. Thank you, guys. So look at that one. Bread and butter. Bread and butter out there. That liquidity downside is so attractive. It's so attractive. Got into a little position here for liquidity swap game. Come on, sweep that liquidity. I don't want to make too much money, just hitting my target, minimum target, $150. And I'm gonna be happy with that. $150, guys. All the way. Come on. I think so. There is going to be a significant wick on higher time frames as soon as we take the liquidity. Such patterns are usually requesting long wicks. There's a lot of the buying orders hiding below limit orders, and then the institution will nicely go and market orders triggered with all the stop losses and trailings. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much. You know, I only need here basically 4 points. Looks like 68% of you consider we're going down to last week's low. 608 on Nasdaq. I only need this one into 733. What a shame, right? What a shame. Beautiful. Target has been touched. 179 profit. That's my target for today, guys. I'm going to celebrate this because this is the second day of the second cycle. YRM is only requesting 10 days of $150 minimum, and then you take your payout. Obviously 20% consistency too, which is why the best accounts there, the instant funding accounts, are extremely easy. 2 days and 14 hours to go for their holidays promotion time. These are the instant funding accounts, like taking candy away from a baby, like we used to say. 150k right there. They give this to you at 540. I've negotiated down to 450. That's an extra $90 discount. We have 50% from 900, so 10% extra is 90. $90 extra on each account. Maximum 3 funded simultaneously. You can buy unlimited, but you keep them on pause if you got more than 3 funded. This is the current situation. This is a one-time fee, no monthly fee. $6,000 drawdown. Earn minimum $150 for 10 days and take your damn payout and walk away. Become a trader, guys. Come on. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. How do you feel today, guys? How's it going? We got this brand new 150k instant funded, because we lost one in the last trading session. And that was on the last stream. We lost one. So we bought a new 150k. And we're going to trade our flex today. Thank you, buddy. Wish you quick recovery. Get back strongly, buddy. Yes, we nicely celebrated in my way, actually in our way. Chilling out and spending a lot of the time with the kids, with the family as usually. Getting ready for a good year. And also being grateful for the year we had. Extremely grateful. Extremely grateful. We had difficulties. And they're needed because challenging times are meant to make you stronger. Challenging times are certainly not meant to take you down or generate a weaker person. Certainly the outcome from a fight is also controlled by the person fighting. How do you take your benefits? How do you adjust? How do you position yourself? You can have failures, but they can be most of the time more valuable moments and experiences than the winners. You can have these things in life, failures, difficulties. You just want to see how do you learn and how do you acknowledge the value behind each experience. I think that's the valuable part of every single day. So 2025, just like 2026, I think it's going to have a lot of those days. No surprise. I don't know if we break this one below before the New York session opens. I mean, we might do something once the flat opening starts in 5 minutes, something around that one. Actually, in 15 minutes, once the flat hourly starts. We'll see that. Looks like we're still trapping traders. Yep. Challenging and difficult moments are needed. And the most important part, obviously, is the way we control them. And the way we progress and advance and sort of a way adjust for future. Oh, so you got in along. Risky attempt. Yeah, it could be profitable. We're gonna grab another cup of tree. If you catch 60 points from here, you know, it's quite risky with all that liquidity below. Not touching the markets yet. It's quite risky with all that liquidity below for me. I'm watching it closely. You're always 9 minis. I think that's the only number he has on his keyboard. Always 9 minis. It's the only number that's left on the keyboard after destroying it out. A couple of losses, right? It's the only one that remained on the keyboard, right, buddy? What do you guys think about? He's always 9 minis long. Is that the answer? You destroy the keyboard and that's the only number that left on it? Tell us the truth, buddy. Come on. You gotta be tight on the stop loss. You don't want to lose that number 9. Oh! Grab some liquidity below. We are attacking people. Making a new low. You don't want to attack your keyboard if that's the only number left. Come on. Let's see what kind of reaction do we get here, guys. Let's not rush into a long and hope that our trade is gonna be a successful knife catch. No worries. It's part of the game, exactly. It's part of a beautiful game. You don't trade, you don't exist if you don't have losses, if you don't have failures. Ooh, that's an interesting procedure. Do we have another 90 points from here downwards? Questioning that for the 680 we talked about in the chat. You should be getting it. I mean, depends on the queue. Depends. But I had experience getting the same day. That's one way I got it. And the other way I got it was the next day. So one of those two. Same day or the next day. Depends. I had both experiences with YRM. Look at that one. Now we're going to try the Lucid quite soon, the Lucid Flex, and we're going to try to flex the muscles there. But that's not going to be easy, guys. We're melting. Let me just look into the 4 hours for gold. Yeah, we're touching this red line, and this is the magic line. Look at that now. The red line is representative for the dynamic swing entered volume with an average price, that red line right there. And the magnet is there, but the bouncing is also on board with it. We have quite a few days we haven't lost this red line, and now we're challenging for a gold. We haven't lost this red line for December. I just want to see BTC back above 120 grand. And then we can discuss differently, guys. Yes, I still have those Lucid accounts I passed. We have, out of the 5 we passed, because we copy traded 5, we have 4 of them. 1 got to the payout and we requested a payout. The other one, 2 as well. 2 got to the payout and requested a payout. And we're trading them today as well. $608, guys, very dangerous. 608, last week's low, very important. A lot of the bids for the 608, a lot of the bids. Thank you so much, guys. I don't think we had news today. We didn't have news that were scheduled. For sure, we didn't have anything ready for it. But the news are the technicals here. When you got this, I mean, all this buybacks and all this mix have been generated for a reason. For the retails getting to their positions at that level and then nicely give some nice liquidity below this. Interesting, guys. This ones are really responsible for people longing here. Right, so this and this, those 2 weeks are very responsible for people longing here. On the base of the confirmation, what we also have on a triple bottom structure. Let me fix that. I just see right now. Maybe right now it works. How is it right now? We're good. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Beautiful. Great. Don't forget about signing up for the giveaways. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Well, technically you're supposed to jump. But there is a grade of probability for that one too. At the same time, guys, for those of you that came in pretty hot for 2025 late December numbers and promos we got on our Discord, let me share with you the link. What's the plan for today? Well, we got some targets today. $500 here, which is my target for this Ignite. And we touched a target here on 150k instant funded for the YRM, so we kind of got some targets by shorting the markets. Let me get back, guys. In the sales and promotions tab on our Discord, we got a weekly roundup of the current promotions. All the promotions that are in the markets, you can find them here on the sales and promotion tab channels for our Discord. One of the biggest numbers are the 70% off for the Savius. 70. It's insane. Because the $300,000 account is just $280. This one. So you can have $12,000 max loss with a price of $280. We have issues again? I don't think so. $280 at $12,000 max loss. Target is at 5% for all the accounts on Savius. Of course, I've been paid by Savius. Savius has an experience in the prop firm space for about 10 years. They were activating locally in Switzerland, Italy, Germany. And in 2025, they want to go mainstream. They've been a local prop firm for many, many years as a Europe. Our community members got paid. You can actually search across the board here because you know the big accounts here, the 300K accounts. We got a great community member always taking payouts, Michael Angelo. If you search him, look at that. Let me just bring search by the user. He got 12 grand in a single payout from Savius. Look at that. There you go. Nice Monday, people, with Savius payout. Let us kill the week with profits. 11,000. I can't really scroll. 11,907 from Savius Trading Firm. Exactly. Thank you, Okyo, thank you. Yes, $90 monthly, but if you activate your account, for example, you can buy it at any time, but if you activate your account on the 2nd of the month, you don't have to pay the fees. It's free for the first month. They only go straight to funded. Exactly. You're welcome, Quantum. That was an interesting thing, because a lot of the people got concerned about the model is the daily loss model. The daily loss is not really running after you, because the daily loss is a hard breach for Savius. Keep that in mind. It's a hard breach, so you need to put a stop loss before that. Otherwise, you lose your account if you touch your daily loss. We're gonna trade their accounts, hopefully today as well. Our giveaways will start in 30 minutes. Right. Let me open up my Quant Tower. I'd like to trade my Flex accounts for Lucid. I'm shorting my YRM 150k brand new account. Good morning, welcome guys. Thank you so much guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. 170 people watching and we got 78 likes. We're not gonna do any giveaway at this numbers. I guarantee. I don't want to make more than 750, guys. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate your great consistency and friendship. You got a great consistency level. What do you guys think about this little short that we've got here? Aiming all the way for 688. 750. We got 50 micros. And we probably have a decent chance, right? Stop loss right above the wick we made. And we touched the target, $670. You see, we were not trading for many minutes. Waited for the right spot. And we hit the nail of the coffin. Celebration time. Let's put up the fireworks, by the way. It's not going to be a big deal for the New Year's Eve. We're used to fireworks daily. We're used to that, guys. Hey, great to see you, Peter. Yeah, got in a short at the right time. We've been smelling this markets for a while. But now, time for me to do some trading on the flex accounts. Make sure to subscribe. I'd like to make 250 bucks on this one. Only 250 bucks. I'll put it that way. I don't want to make more. Only 250 bucks here. Because we got 5,000. It's the second cycle. This is a Lucid Flex 150k. It's the second cycle. And I think this is day number 3. Day number 3. We only need 2 more days. And we're taking another payout. So the Lucid Flex accounts, you take payouts every 5 days once you become funded. No payout target and no consistency. It's just insane. We're trading here the 150k accounts. Best of luck, everyone. And no buffer needed. No buffer. It's just insane, guys, with a Lucid Flex. Highest discounts, max discounts will always be scramble right there. No buffer needed, so their payout system is just different. We've been dreaming about something to have no consistency and no payout target. Well, the scaling, but you see, we've been making 3,000, 4,000 bucks in a day with the sizing they give us from scratch from the beginning. So payout policy, 5 days of minimum trading depending on your account size. Yes, it gives you the 100 bucks. Adding a little more to this, we've missed our great entry there. We've missed a DC in the highs and the silly price action. Let me get back to your question with the payout conditions, the payout policy. We do have a video speaking about the payout policy, the payout conditions for the Lucid Flex account on my channel, a little more comprehensive. But let me grab some data for you. You need basically to pass the challenge. The challenge is at 6%. And once you pass, Once you pass the challenge, which is at 6%, let me... you become funded. On your funded stage, look at that one, guys. About to hit a target. Let me move my stop loss on break even. I'm moving stop loss break even already. On the funded stage, you only have to trade for 5 days and earn a minimum value per day. Break even has been touched. We made 13 bucks. So let me get back to these numbers. Here's the flex, guys, on the payout policy. Let me quickly explain you. Minimum daily profit needed for 5 days. That's the only thing that you need for the funded stage on the flex. And then you have no consistency, no target. So you can leave your winners run, which is something we did. If you watch our videos, and I'll publish a video with my payouts and all that stuff, we made 2,000, 3,000 in a day, and then 250 in the next couple of days, right? Because that's the minimum for the 150k. So you do in a day 3,000, and then the rest of the 4, just 250. For example, by letting your winners run. You're not doing anything extra in the day that makes you 3,000 than what you're doing in the day that makes you 250. Do you know why? Because at 250 you cut your profit and you say enough is enough, I don't need to make more here. And at 3,000 you let it run. And then the payout system for the flex accounts is in the following way. You can always take out 50% of your balance up to the maximum cap. The cap is 3,000 for the 150k and 2,000 for the 50k. Right, so 50% up to 3,000. In order for that 3,000 to be 50% of your balance needs to be at 6,000. You can always take out a maximum of 50% of your balance. It becomes static after you take your first payout. So if you want to take 3,000 out, you got to bring the account to 6,000 in profit in the funded stage. Because the 3,000 would be 50% of the 6,000 existent. Yep. No, it's lovely. It's lovely, guys. And they've been very productive for me. Very productive. I don't know about that. It's just about YRM. I mean, even 50% is great. And let me show you why. 50% consistency on the challenge phase. 50. Look at this one, guys. This is an account, for example. We had a payout. And let me explain you. This is already the funded stage. We pass our challenge in 3 days. We made 2 days of close to 4,500. And then the last days, yeah, you can pass your challenge in 2 days. They do accept... even if your consistency is not exactly 50, they do accept you, right? So you can pass your challenge in 2 days, yes. If there is $20 or $30 gap, they accept you and they pass your account in 2 days. But this is the funded stage for me, as an example. Look at that. 3 days of leaving your winners. Didn't done anything special, guys. And then minimum profit and another day of minimum profit, right? But you can have this minimum profit only if you have no consistency, which allows you to go for big winners. And then the second cycle started on 24th. We made 2,000 bucks. And then on 26th, we made 522. And today, I'd like to, we got this $13 there. I'd like to make more, 250. That's what I want to do. We got 20 minutes, guys, and the giveaway starts. I got to be tight today on my schedule. You're looking at the wrong product. You're looking at the Lucid Pro, which is also a challenge. They have two different challenges, the Lucid Pro and the Lucid Flex. The Lucid Pro is the usual challenge with a consistency on the funded stage, with a target on the funded. That's not attractive. Forget about Lucid Pro, guys. No one is buying that. Forget about. Lucid Flex is the new product. Lucid Flex is the deal. It's the place with no consistency and no payout target on the funded stage, and you can leave your winners 3,000. We had two payouts of 3,000. We just started trading with Lucid Flex. They just got this new product live for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. Merry Christmas. See you next year as well. We're going to have an amazing time, guys. I'm hoping next year we're going to cross about 400 or 500 guys on simultaneously among the viewers. 400 or 500. And probably 3,000, 4,000 total viewers on our channel. Our community could actually go to 3,000 or 5,000 on Discord. We have around 1,500 today, so it could actually double up. And I think BTC is going to make a new all-time high. But that's a pure speculation from someone which is holding BTC. I'm trading tomorrow, yes. And the day after tomorrow, we gotta see that. I got a lot of the giveaways to share with you guys. It's gonna be either tomorrow or the next day. We got some New Year's massive giveaways to do. So yeah. We're gonna do them for sure. But depends how. Make sure you do not forget about us, guys. Make sure. Join the Discord. Thank you so much for being with us. Really appreciate it. 15 minutes and the giveaways will start. Trying to find an entry here. It's not an easy job. I'm going for a little short here. Gotta change my setup a little bit. I don't like the colors behind my face. Gotta tweak that, guys. Will do. I don't like the colors behind my back. I don't know what happened. We got a green screen, but something happened there. So I don't know. $670 made on a fresh account for the YRM earlier. Questioning about this possibility here for a continuation to the upside. Really questioning, guys. I'm gonna be out of this trade. Is not a good idea. I'll take 330 bucks loss. Not an issue. Good morning. Not an issue. Before the market runs much higher, I'll take this loss. Yeah. 700s. I don't think we get stuck again here, so I might switch into a long. But you know, this is not just switching back and forth type of trading. Yeah, you know, this could be the moment we're pushing all the way back. I should not underestimate the possibilities for that, honestly. I should not underestimate. Right? Look at that one. It's not an easy moment longing it here. It'll take something. Now, I do have other numbers on my keyboard, not just about 9. I've never smashed my keyboard having the number 9 remaining on board with us. We do have some other fellas. Oh, look at that one. Why did you done this to me? I'm out. I think this is continuing down. What a silly price action. And what a silly drop, guys. Ho ho. Are we going to that 608 we talked about? We're down 1,500 here. This is the second cycle. Let me see what we can do. There is a risk for us here to go a little bit lower. Let's see. Let's see, guys. That 608 would be lovely for me. We're gonna see. Come on, keep going. Keep pressing, guys. Keep pressing those numbers. We might have an interesting chance here. Looks pretty good for the moment. Looks pretty good, guys, for a nice continuation. We're 4 minutes short. Stop loss break even. We gotta put it there. Hopefully we're not gonna reverse here. Oh my god. They fully reversed that. And let me tell you something, guys. Taking 2 contracts long, we've jumped into the other side, we reversed. 3-leg formula. Not that familiar. I got 2 contracts open. And I'm holding through like this. But we had an interesting short earlier. I think this one could also be pretty interesting. 10 minutes to when the oops, stop loss and break even. Come on, take me back to the moon. Let's just jump with all that liquidity back and forth. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We're not leaving this down. 3 minis long. We're break even. They should continue without hunting me. So if we got this kind of flash movements, think about the way it's going to happen on the New York session today. Number one priority, which is, by the way, in every single session, but today is a higher level priority on the risk management. You don't want to lose an account in a holidays time. You actually never want to lose an account. Come on. I'm going to trail right above the current candlestick, guys. We're trailing right above the current candlestick. If it reverses, I'm going to take my profit. If it's continuing and it's running higher, I'm going to print some nice money. Come on, guys. Make sure to like the video. The giveaway starts in 9 minutes. The stream today is going to be a little shorter. Pretty good money, right? And you saw the way we jumped from the short we were in the current long. You saw that, guys. We escaped getting trailed out. We just escaped getting trailed out. Let's see if that holds. Yeah, that 1,500. Even at this level, guys, we have a lot in the account and we only need 3 days of 250. So even with this loss, we have 4 grand in the account and we're going to be able to take a nice payout in 3 days. I'm not going to risk the account. I'm not going to risk the fact that we are having 4,000 there even at this level. I got a trailing which secures some profit. And I'm happy about it. Yet at the same time, I'm leaving some space for the market to continue. 6 minutes to go when the market opens. This is the Lucid Flex for Quant Hour. Lucid Flex for Quant Hour. That looks interesting, guys. That looks interesting if it continues here to push. Hello from Slovakia. Slovakia. Hello out there, buddy. Great to have you on board. Great to have you on board. 5 minutes to go. And I hope the markets should do a little more. We might touch the trailing there. But it's still profit, not an issue. I'm holding it, guys. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid making money. I'm actually increasing my stop loss there. My trailing there. Right below the current wick. Good day from Munich. Great to have you once again. Look at that one, guys. 5 minutes algo. It runs. It runs. And it makes money. So leave it open. It could actually go way, way higher. Long 9 minis. Ho ho! I'm just 3 minis out there and moving it right there. But I'm actually going to... Yeah, I'm moving it right there below the current candle. I have Savius accounts, 300k Savius accounts, actually loaded up 5 accounts on Savius. The thing is, our giveaway starts in 5 minutes and I got no time. Not closing, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm not closing it. I am not closing it, guys. I am not closing anything. Selling a contract here. I'm selling a contract there. I sold a contract. So let me adjust. I'm gonna sell another contract there. Let me see how do we adjust, guys, in the next seconds. I'm not afraid holding it for the moment. Out of the 3 contracts, we sold something. 750s, right? It's not bad, 750s in 15 seconds. I got everything it's needed there. I'm actually deleting my take profit, guys. I'm actually deleting my take profit. I'm a little bit more ambitious right now. We got the stop loss higher, and I'm leaving it like that. I'm getting a little bit more ambitious right now. Come on. We just wiped out the entire $1,500 loss. We just wiped that out. I'm setting a contract here, guys, on a market order. Look at that one, guys. We have a $190 net P&L, $200 net P&L profit if we close out here from a $1,500 loss. I'm holding it, guys. This is getting ready. This is getting ready for a mover. And I'm still holding it. We only need $250 here profit for the day to be counted. So I don't know if I should risk more than that. Like, it makes no sense for me. But you see, for the love of the nature, and for the love of the game, and for the beauty of the trading, and for the greatness of our community, I'm out. I'm out. $314 net P&L profit from being down 1,500. There you go, guys. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. This was Trading 101. Execution and delivery. Boom. Fireworks time. Getting pretty hot out there. This is day number 3 in the second cycle. Lucid Flex accounts. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. No trailing. We got the money out there and we got to start a giveaway soon. And we have enough money to go for the max payout. We got enough money to go for the max payout soon. 10 seconds to go when the market opens. I think it's gonna, you know. Look at that one. It's coming down. We would have been stopped out. What a miserable opening, guys. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. What a miserable opening. We would have been stopped out. We sold at the very top, guys. We sold at the very top. Congratulations. Look at this one. We sold at the very top. Congratulations. They came after your trailing, buddy. They came after your stop loss, buddy. Sorry to hear that. I think this is going back up. Easily into 750s, 760s. Easily. You know, we're going to break this range we established here. We're going to break that range top, which is 780s. Not a big deal. 100 points from here today. Yeah. 200 EMA. 790s as a good target. It may bounce from here, or it's going to try to bounce from the last week's low, 608. But we made the big money, guys. We do have more flex accounts, more Savius, but we got no time today to trade that much and sit on the stream. I got some other stuff to do. And we're going to start the giveaways in 2 minutes. Keep that in mind. Giveaways will start in 2 minutes. Keep in touch, guys. On our Discord, Sales and Promotions, you will be able to see the latest weekly promotions and roundup for the prop firms we're working with. All the offers right here are fully updated. I'm also going to send you out an email today with all that stuff. Look at a long wick established by the dirty price section, market makers. Make sure to sign up right now for the giveaway. Sign up. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. It's time for the giveaway. It's time for the giveaway. I'll give you... I'll give you 2 more minutes, guys. Come on. How to join, how to participate the giveaway. It's going back up. Look at that one. They just wiped you out. There's a lot of the people that got into longs here, and that's why they're running after you guys. A lot of the people that got into longs here. So with the opening price section, they just came back into your trailings, and now it's running. And that trailing liquidity that has been triggered was a nice spot for the market makers to get back. And for the limit orders to get filled up. Right? So they got into their positions here. And now they're writing it. That's the name of the game. Again, like the video, everyone. Come on. Be subscribed, join my Discord, join the YouTube channel. Here's the Discord as well. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Usually we're sitting 2 hours on the stream. Daily giveaways. Trading. We haven't lost anything today. We made money on the Ignite account. We made money on the YRM account. We made money on the Flex account on the Lucid. So we made money pretty much everywhere. Yep. That liquidity from retail, which is usually always try to secure their positions pre-New York session by either going on a break even with a stop loss or going on a trailing, that liquidity is knocked out. And someone is buying it. It's not me for sure. I've exited a little earlier. Now you're gonna have your win, buddy, for sure. You're gonna have your win. And think about it. You might have a back-to-back win. We had a community member that had a back-to-back win. Guessed a number and also on the same stream had 2 winning dock races. So did you guys like the video? Be subscribed and join the Discord. Make sure to complete all these things. We're starting with the first giveaway, let me tell you. Good job passing your evaluation. $730s, 12 AC, look at that one. This is running higher to your target, 750s. This is going to your target. We just talked about it, guys. We need a purple line here for that easy target, 790s, which is above the range established prior to our starting time of the stream. We just collapsed below the range, played some games at the opening, and then spiking above. That's lovely, guys. That's lovely. Hope you made money out of this. If not, do not be angry and revenge. This is going aggressively. The purple line is a magnet. Is the sherry lady. Come on. 790s. There you go. Thank you so much, market makers, for getting inspired from the numbers on the stream. This is unstoppable. Ho-ho, 800s. Keep going, baby. Look at that one. Look at that one. But it's time for the moment to advance. Thank you guys, appreciate it. So today we've been back-to-back profits. Very happy about this whole session we had. I only talk about the way I trade on the stream, not having a video on that one. So you can always join our live stream and find out more about it. Again, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, mandatory. And certainly you gotta fill up the form. First giveaway will be $25,000 Tap 1 Futures instant funding account, end of the day drawdown. Again, $25,000 Tap 1 Futures instant funding, end of the day drawdown for the Tap 1 Futures. Let me think about the numbers. So we're going to do the following way. 5 zeros. 5 number 7. And 5 number 5. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. 5 zeros, 5 number 7, and 5 number 5. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Let's do it. Gotta be pretty quick on this ones. Sherry lady. Let's go. Let's go. Stop right there, no more guesses. Stop right there, no more guesses. Stop right there, no more guesses. Beautiful. So I'm gonna shuffle them this way, a single shuffle. And I'm gonna spin the wheel. Best of luck, everyone. $25,000. That might be the 5 because we got a double 5 and I don't think we passed through that. That might be the double 5 there on the red. My pedal is not working for a push, guys. We're gonna stop on the number 5 and good luck. Good luck, guys, for the duck race. You got them winners. Good luck for the duck race. That's gonna be the number 5. Congratulations for the winners. And I'll take you on the duck race right now. We are going to the duck race. 71 winners. Look at that one. Pretty popular number. Maybe one of the most. 71 winners competing for a minute and 30 seconds out there. Shuffle. Good to go. This is an instant funding account of TOF-DayTrading-NQFutures. So it's very attractive. End of the day drawdown. Come on. Congratulations for the winners. Who's gonna speed up? Come on. Not an easy one, but that's still something. Not an easy one. Forza Matteo. Go, pedal, go. Let's go, come on. Keep that money showing up. Who's gonna take this? Look at that. 12 AC, you're right there at the front. Next to the grandma. You're not next to the nurses. You're next to the grandma this time. Look at that. You need your ducky showing up for the last 6 seconds, guys. Otherwise, I'm pressing the pedal and you're getting stopped out. Sire Mamat, I'll press the pedal, Sire. And the police dog comes through. This number 65 is going to get stopped out from the bottom. Jamal. Jamal is pushing through. And it's making order. Here you go, Jamal. Congratulations with a number 10. You got this one. Ho ho, Jamal. Run, run. Congratulations. We're going to find out if you have actually signed up on the form, Jamal. Let's see. Are you here? Yes, you are, Jamar. Congratulations, buddy. You are a confirmed winner. Beautiful, beautiful, Jamal. You've been with us for a long time. I do know your name. But think about, guys, think about the next giveaway is going to be massive. Because I'm going to do something special in the next giveaway. Listen up, guys. We got to hurry up, that's why. And we're going to do Lucid. So second giveaway will be Lucid 50k flex for the first ranked, and YRM 50k for the second ranked. We're gonna share both accounts instead of doing an extra giveaway because I gotta hurry up, that's why. So we'll do first ranked Lucid 50k flex, second ranked YRM 50k as well. Think about it. We're gonna share 2 accounts in this one. Once again, like the video, be subscribed to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. You get a notification when we start streaming daily and whenever I post. And join our Discord. If you're not on these things, you're not going to be able to win, including the giveaway forms. Great. So let me think about the numbers, because we got to make this complicated, right? And we're going to put the following thing. We're going to do 3 zeros. 3 number 1, 3 number 2, and 3 number 7. And that's it. 3 zeros, 3 number 1, 3 number 2, and 3 7. And that's it. Let me know your guess, guys. Best of luck, everyone. If we have more than 100 winners for a number, that goes for the second round of duck race with a top 3. Top 3 is going to go second round for the duck race if we got more than 100 winners for the duck race. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. We're going to continue streaming tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to it on our Discord as well. Tomorrow, I also want to publish a video. We had a great session today making money. Pretty much everywhere. No losses today, and we traded quite a few important accounts. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. Great community. No more guesses. We're going to shuffle them this way. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Best of luck, guys. Game over. That might be the number 2, guys. Look at that one. We got a couple there, and I think we're not going to pass through that. I think it's going to be the green number 2. If the paddle works correctly, we're going to stop right there in between the 2 number 2. It's not going to slip. That's not going to slip, guys. We got it on the blue side, but that's going to be the number 2. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Don't think this is a popular number in the current context. When you put a 0 there, when you put number 7, you see it's not really the lucky 7 out there. 55 winners. Look at that one. 55 winners going for the number 2. A minute and 30 seconds competition time. Shuffle them. Best of luck, everyone. Keep it going. Keep it strong. Best of luck, guys. The first ranked will get a Lucid 50k flex. The second ranked will get basically a YRM 50k as well. One minute to go. Look at the Oliver. Palooka. Best of luck, everyone. Tomorrow we're continuing 8 a.m. EST time. We're gonna stream for a little more tomorrow, for about 30 minutes more. But I hope to have the same profitable day like we had today. Profits back to back, and I wish you also guys the same. You certainly want to watch the stream and grab some education from there. Let's go. Come on, guys. Come on. Keep it up on the speedy side. Anton is there. Ten seconds to go. This guys will get stopped out from the top. This guys will always get stopped. Jim Stones. There you go. Jim Toes. Triss. Triss comes through. Triss. But who's the second rank? Who's the second rank up there? So we got Triss and the Sean. Look at that one, guys. Ho ho ho. NPC World coming out in the third. Hoping that one of the first two did not fill up the form. Congratulations for the winners. Triss, you got this one. And the Sean. Hey, come on, Triss. Did you fill up the form? Yes. Congratulations. The Sean as well confirmed. Congratulations for both. Ho ho. Good job guys, good job guys. Congratulations for the winners and for the big time accounts. The first ranked Tris 50k flex on Lucid, second ranked YRM 50k account as well. Thank you once again guys for the lovely stream. Gotta hurry up a little today, otherwise we would have had an extra 20 to 30 minutes. Wish you a calm, risk-free and great management trading. Take it easy. Do not hurry up. You see how the volatility plays around. We've been explaining a lot on today's stream, so make sure to check those trades and entries we did. Have a lovely time. Looking forward to it tomorrow. We're not leaving yet. Happy New Year, but we're talking tomorrow, guys. We're not leaving. We're still here for the next day for sure, and then maybe even the other day. Let's see. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely time. Looking forward to it